Wow, what's that?
I make cookies.
What shape?
Heart and star.
Okay.
Let's put glue and let's put star. You can do that?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's make. Where's the donut? Sure.
짠. 예쁘지?
It's pretty.
It's pretty?
Yes.
쫄깃쫄깃한 스프링크. 그 스프링 반짝반짝. 세상에서 제일 맛난 도넛.
How about this one? Let's make ice cream. Where's your ice cream?
나나나나.
This is a very soft clay.
아빠 자고 있잖아. 쉿.
These are like really soft type of clay.
하지 말라.
What's happening with the donut? There you go. Does it look like a donut? Yeah? So what flavor is it?
Is strawberry and vanilla.
Strawberry and vanilla, not strawberry and mango. Have you tasted mango donut? Isn't that tasty yummy? Video.
와우. 저기 마시멜로 같아. It says it's marshmallow.
Like a marshmallow.
마시멜로 같아.
You're eating it? Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. It's ice cream shape. Let's see.
I make vanilla ice cream.
Yes. Oh,
이 marshmallow.
Blueberry marshmallow.
Blueberry marshmallow. You eat.
This clay is soft, baby. So when you remove it, it's
와,
yeah,
애들
big
같아,
one.
look.
Oh my God. Okay, look at this.
Yeah.
Only this, but the other side, it's deformed. Okay, I can make it.
얘는 이제 서브리 아이스크림 만들어야지.
Look, see, it's
Look.
done.
I make sub ice cream.
Okay.
I make strawberry ice cream.
There you go, baby. So you have to put one. Let's see. This I don't know how to make
Look,
this
look, look.
camera.
짠. strawberry ice cream이야.
Okay.
You like marshmallow? Blueberry marshmallow.
Blueberry marshmallow.
Here you eat.
Uh-oh. No, you hold. I'll teach you how. Look. You need to hold and one. And put like this. Jajan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops. Pretty much.
You put another glue.
Very
Or-
much.
Oh my God.
Oh
Why
my
you put there?
God,
Now they can't see anymore.
goodness.
What are you doing? Ja, go.
Mama, look. I'm catching.
Okay. Let's take this out. This one red.
짠!
Okay. So you got one ice cream. Okay, you put here.
왜 아직 여기 없잖아.
Thanks. You put more.
짠.
Let's take this
아,
out.
글루. Oh my God.
That's too much.
going to move. What is so?
So this is a very soft clay. So when you use a molder, clay molder, oh, it deforms. The shape deforms. Chan. Chan. But the other side. Chan, yeah, I did it. Another one. So you got 2 ice cream flavor already, baby. Wait, where's my donut? I'm not done with my donut. Okay, where's your ice cream cone? Get your ice cream cone. Done.
There.
It's there.
There.
You use it. And then let's show them. We make ice cream. Then,
I like hot donut. I put in the hot donut in the star. 예쁘게 해야 된대. My goodness.
oh, don't.
Oh my god! My goodness.
And your tummy. Okay.
얘나. 얘나 하고 있어.
You're dropping some. How to make heart shape? I don't even know. Okay. So we're gonna make a heart just like this. What is this? Oh no, this is not a heart shape. What is this? Oh my god, I'm not very good with it. Playing with clay.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god, what's this? Is this heart?
No.
It looks like a ribbon.
토끼 같은데. 토끼 같아.
So you mix red and yellow. A heart-shaped donut.
Oh,
Let's take it
깜짝이야.
off from the molder. Ta-da! Look at that. See? Okay, what shape is this, Joanna?
hat.
Now let's make on top. Wait, what's in here? Another one. Oh, another pink. Let's make a big heart, pink one. So I'll make a pink
이것 좀 해.
big heart.
얘나가 이거면 돼. 얘나는
Use blue one, baby.
옐로우.
No, this is yellow. Yellow, small one. So you need another color.
Let I make
You
red.
did it. She put sprinkle.
I'm
More. Oops. Take it off.
야. 커서 안 된다. 여기 조금 여기
Okay.
여기 조금 있고. 오,
Done, yeah.
정말.
Good. And then you put this on top.
나 because
You put this first.
Screw. Oh my god.
Joanna, you put this first before putting the blue one. No.
거짓말. 이라고 여기. 또. Oh my god. 나는 어디서 나서 내려가.